evening, YouTubers. Today I'm gonna break the another 2019 Panini Draft Picks Prizm Hobby Box. I pay 260, 270 actually, and I bought three of them from three different sellers on eBay. And look at how this box came in, all crushed in. He just used the padded the envelope instead of using a freaking box. What a lazy seller. This is how they ship $300, almost $300 hobby box. And he's one of big sellers too. Jesus Christ. But I'm gonna take a risk and open it anyway, because this is ridiculous. Alright. I opened 4 boxes already, and I got one Zion Hyper Prizm from 4 boxes, so that's the best Zion card I got. I opened 11 mega box, and yeah, thing is tough. So here's a PJ Washington base, Nick Claxton, Jalen McDaniel silver, and green is Nick Claxton, and this guy. And the first auto is the Rourke Pardon, whoever that is. That's first box, not a good sign. Trying to figure it out what the ROI on this hobby box is, Then for Zion base, Isaiah Barrett, Silver Crusade, and orange is this guy, Fondue. And Rue Makimura, Purple Green Crusade out of 199. 28 out of 199. Second, Arik Holman. What the F? It's a short print, but who the hell is this guy? 28 out of 30, but whatever. Oh, not this guy, DeAndre Hunter. So many cards of this guy. Sick and tired of him. Alright, base of All Americans rule. Jalen Noel. Silver is Dwayne Hernandez. And another rule, Hakimura. Green lime. 245 out of 249. Torrance Man. Really? Purple. And third, Josh Perkins. Green. Not numbered. What the? Oh, this is such a bad box. Yeah, another waste of $300. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. Kelvin Johnson, Fernando, Cameron Johnson silver. I don't need this crap. Derek Carver. What is it? Silver. Is it Silver Wave? It's not Silver Wave, is it? Yeah. I guess it is Silver Wave. 70 out of 299. Kobe White Green. And Jeremy Bradley. Whatever, silver. Last pack. Jeez, this is such a bad box. Cause this is a Halloween box? I don't know. I don't see any Zion here. Isaiah Barrett. Garland, Darius Garland. I have tons of Darius Garland. Who the hell is this guy? Every box is ton. Panini put this guy all over the place. Jackson and Jackson Hayes too. Keke and Darius Beasley. Whatever. It's okay. I mean, Kobe White Crusade. This box is stink, and it can't be worse than this. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.